Hi, I'm Chef Renata, and welcome to my kitchen. Mother's Day is almost here, and this year I want to help you surprise and celebrate the special mom in your life like never before by preparing her the Mother's Day meal that she deserves. An elegant and special mom really requires an elegant and unique meal. So we are leaving the beef, pork, and chicken in the fridge because we are cooking lamb. Now, it's not only delicious, it's easier and much more affordable than you might think. And with help from my good friends at True Aussie Lamb, I'm going to teach 3 eager foodies who love to cook almost as much as they love their wives and moms how to prepare 3 different lamb dishes fit for a queen. Then they can each select their favorite dish to prepare on their own at home as a surprise for their special mom on Mother's Day. But we aren't the only ones cooking today. You are invited to join in and discover Australian lamb for yourself. So, if you're ready to cook, have some fun, and learn all about lamb, let's get started. Okay, friends, welcome back. You have mastered 3 wonderful lamb dishes: the Turkish lamb flatbread, the Asian barbecue sauté, and that really beautiful entree we did last week, the chili honey glazed lamb T-bone. What do you think? It was pretty easy to make the lamb, right? It's pretty easy to cook with the lamb. Wonderful. Now you have to choose. You have to choose what you're gonna make for the mom or the wife in your life.
I'm excited. I chose the Turkish style lamb flatbread. I think it's gonna be amazing. I figured this would allow me to step my game up and kind of just add a little extra love in there, a little bit of me, that probably just sit it over the top for her.
And I figure it's a good way to incorporate the breads and kind of spice it up a little bit. Maybe she'll let me in the kitchen more.
That's right, good idea. I think she will. So Kim, what are you making for your mom for Mother's Day?
I cannot believe I'm actually going to say this, but I have decided to make the chili honey glazed T-bone.
I chose that because it's something different than I would have made ever before. She'll love that I learned how to make it for her, so I'm excited to share that. And I'll look pretty fancy making it too. She'll love that.
It'll be very fancy. That's great.
Well, I chose the lamb T-bone, and I chose it because, to me, it was kind of the more challenging of the 3. Yet to me, when I was cooking it, it came together very, very nicely. And then with the presentation, with the nice salad that had the strawberries in there, I just thought it'd be a perfect way to present that to my mom and just have her taste something that is just sweet, savory, and just an all-around amazing dish.
So I believe it is maybe a little more challenging than the other dishes, but after doing it, I feel like it's actually a piece of cake.
That's great. It's really seasonal too.
Absolutely.
So she'll love that.
Yeah.
So I have one last challenge for you before you all leave. We really want to share your experience with your mom and you cooking, and we want to follow you doing it. So we are asking you to all video and photograph the day. You think you can do that for us?
Yes.
Awesome. So go have a wonderful Mother's Day lamb feast, and we'll see you soon.
Thank you, Chef.
Thank you, Chef.
Wow, here it is, guys, the whole time. Now it's time to cook. I think my wife is actually going to cry when she sees me deliver this. To see me come with this course, this meal, yeah, she's gonna be blown away. My wife really loves vegetables, so it's to kind of kick it up a little bit. There are some nice fresh spinaches in there as well.
So mom being, the backbone of the family, she's there to support us. And so I'm just so glad that I can do something for her and give back. Yes, it's very small in retrospect, but I know she's gonna love it.
All right, y'all. The steaks are seared on each side. They're about to go into the oven for 400 degrees. And I know they're gonna come out amazing, so here we go.
All right, I found my lamb chop. It was pretty easy to find and it looks really good. I think Chef Renata would approve. My mother makes our family. It is about the meal and it's about serving a delicious, elegant dinner she's never had before, but it's about the company. Just brings it back to the original reason I wanted to do this, and is to show my mother how special she is to me, and I think she'll love that.
I can't believe how good this looks, and it smells delicious. My mother is going to be shocked when she finds out that I've made this special Mother's Day meal for her. She won't even know what to think, and if it tastes as good as it looks, I think I just got Daughter of the Year.
One. 2, 3. Surprise! Happy Mother's Day!
Happy Mother's Day. Thank you, Kim. Love you.
Love you.
The lamb is almost ready, coming out of the oven. So, bon appetit. Mama's about to enjoy this meal. Happy Mother's Day.
Oh my gosh. Oh, bud.
You like it?
Oh, I love it. It's so good. Oh,
I'll
this
take
is
it.
great. Oh my gosh. Thank you.
Love you.
Love you.
So, did you enjoy your meal?
I did.
Were you surprised?
Yes.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how surprised were you?
9.
9? That's pretty good.
And my heart is in your hands.
It's really good.
Really?
It is.
Yes! Okay, I'm so glad you liked it. Like, woo!
So welcome back to all of you. I'm so excited. Your photos look so great. The food looked amazing. Your moms, your wife, they looked so happy. So Kim, tell me about it.
She was thrilled. She had no idea that I was going to prepare such an elegant meal. I've never made a meal like that before, so she was excited and surprised, and she felt pretty special. She loved it, and I had a great time preparing the meal, and it was just fun for everyone.
That's awesome. So James, how was it with your mom?
It was amazing. I think I had a better experience overall because it was so emotional for me to see how much she loved the lamb and just the experience from me to give something back to her. And the lamb was delicious. It was just a great time for the family.
Total win.
Absolutely.
That's awesome.
100%.
Good. Okay, Jonathan, so what'd your wife think?
My wife loved it. Like, she had no idea that lamb could taste this amazing. And it was just, the meat was so moist and seasoned well.
So now you're cooking from now on.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I am.
that's the
Let's go ahead
challenge
and
there.
claim that. I'm cooking from now on. I even saw my kids trying to sneak some too.
Thank you so much. I had an awesome time sharing this whole experience with you.
Thank you, Chef.
Thank you, Chef.
It was wonderful. Thank you.
And for all of you cooking with us at home, please share your photos of your Australian lamb Mother's Day meal using #SimplySpring. We can't wait to see how you celebrated the special moms in your lives. For Jonathan, Kim, James, and moms everywhere, I'm Chef Renata. Thanks for cooking with us.